What did we do right after the examination paper leak? Immediately we took 3 steps. First, to ensure justice. केसेस दर्ज हो गया, सीबीआई जांच हुई, पूरे देश में इसके ऊपर जो किए थे उनका अरेस्ट हुआ. दिस वाज टू एंश्योर जस्टिस. सेकंड, रीनीट हमने की एंड वी डिड इट इन अ रिकॉर्ड टाइम, ताकि बच्चों का एक पूरा एकेडमिक साल खराब ना हो. रीनीट वाज कंडक्टेड. दिस वाज द प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट एंड वी डिलीवर्ड ऑन दैट. सेकंड एंड थर्ड एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, अध्यक्ष जी, was bringing in reforms to strengthen the NTA and make sure that the next NEET, whenever it happens, will not fail the students. प्रधानमंत्री जी इसलिए 2 बड़े कदम उठाए. One, we have declared that the next examination will be a computer-based examination on the basis of how IIT JEE exams take place. A very big examinations reform. Second, the Prime Minister has also set up a high-powered committee to make various reforms, recommendations in the whole of the examination apparatus, from setting the question papers to the examination center, and these all will be carried out in good faith. Third and the most important reform is also strengthening this law that we are discussing today. अध्यक्ष जी, प्रियंका जी अभी तक बहुत विस्तार में बात की. I want to ask her, in 2010, UPA government had introduced a similar bill, Prevention of Malpractices Bill.
To take your seat.
Why did you not pass the bill? Why did that bill fail?
Just take your seat.
If at all you were so concerned about the future of young people, in 2010 you should have passed this bill so that the last 30 years these paper leaks would not have taken place. Adhyaksh ji, in 75 years of India's independent history, कई सारी पेपर्स लीक हो चुके हैं. मैं जब इस भाषण के लिए तैयारी कर रहा था, हजारों पेपर्स. In the last 20 years, more than 200 paper leaks have taken place. केंद्र सरकार के स्तर पे, प्रदेश सरकार के स्तर पे. I can give you a full list when who was in power. But is that going to solve the problem? The student does not need politics. He does not want solution. He does not want slogans. He wants solution. And this bill that Prime Minister Modi is bringing today is the solution. It is 30 years late, but for the first time in the country's history, 70 years के बाद एक स्पेशल कानून एग्जामिनेशन के बारे में पारित हो रहा है. All of these whiles, Priyanka ji asked a question. Why has there been no conviction? Priyanka ji, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं. कन्विक्शंस इसलिए नहीं होता था क्योंकि एक स्पेशल कानून इसके लिए नहीं था. आप 2010 में इसको इंट्रोड्यूस किए थे, पास नहीं किए थे. हम इस बार इसको पास कर रहे हैं. दिस इज द रीजन. 70 years में, in 70 years of the country's history, this is the first time a special law to criminalize was passed in 24 and is being strengthened now in 26. Adhyaksh ji, but I want to take